Ever stood in the aisle staring at a wall of 22 rifles and wondered which ones will still work after years in a safe, or which will teach real trigger discipline without breaking the bank? This guide cuts through nostalgia and hype. We're talking proven designs that keep running, feed reliably, and actually help you learn or hunt. Ruger's tuner-friendly classic, bolt guns that shoot true, timeless lever and pump actions, and modern entries that bring real ergonomics to rimfire work. I'll show what to test at receipt, which ammo to standardize, and the single maintenance habit that saves you from a jam on a bad day. If you want gear that earns its place on the range or in your kit, stick around. Like and follow Firearm Standard. Ruger 1022. The 1022 is the baseline for affordable, shootable rimfire fun that also doubles as a serious trainer or light-duty utility rifle. What keeps it relevant isn't a single spec, it's the whole ecosystem. Stock a 1022 in any kit, and you can pick from barrels, triggers, stocks, mags, and optics that let you configure a plinker, a suppressed trainer, or a compact takedown scout without changing fundamentals. Barrel length commonly 18.5 inches on standard sporter models. Magazine, rotary 10-round stock. Overall length, 37 inches, fixed stock models. Weight, 5.0 UAS unloaded. Twist rate, 1:16. Action, semi-automatic blowback with a rotary magazine feed. Common performance, practical 1-2. MOA potential with quality barrels and ammo. Excellent follow-up speed and low recoil. Notable features, massive aftermarket, takedown variants, and proven reliability. Why it matters? For training, it's cheap to run and teaches sight picture, trigger control, and manipulation that translate to center firework. For survival or field tasks, it's quiet with subsonic loads, and easy to maintain. The rotary mag is both a strength, compact, low profile, and a quirk. Test the magazines you plan to use. Acceptance testing, 200 rounds across 2-3 common loads, mag cycling tests, and a zero repeatability check if you swap barrels or optics. Real-world tip: buy a good trigger upgrade, a quality barrel if accuracy matters, and at least 2 reliable mags. The 1022 rewards investment with modular upgrades that actually improve capability without turning the rifle into a specialist toy. Savage Mark II. The Savage Mark II line brings simple bolt-action reliability and a user-tunable trigger to shooters who want predictable one-shot performance. Its AccuTrigger system is the linchpin. Set correctly, it lets you run a light, crisp break without compromising safety. That makes the Mark II a perfect bridge between cheap plinkers and purpose hunting rifles. Barrel length commonly 21 inches, varies by model. Magazine, detachable 5-10 rounds depending configuration. Overall length, 40-42 inches. Weight, 5.5, 6.5. Action, bolt action with 2-lug bolt and user-adjustable AccuTrigger. Typical accuracy. Many examples return sub 1.5 MOA groups with proper match or tuned factory ammo. Why it matters: the bolt platform forces deliberate shots, which improves marksmanship in training and increases first shot effectiveness for small game hunting. The rifle's bedding and barrel quality punch above its price point. From a maintenance perspective, the Mark II is straightforward. Few parts, easy access to the bolt face and extractor, and robust feeding when mags and ammo are matched. Real-world tip: run a load evaluation, 3 to 5 loads, to find the rifle's favorite. Set the AccuTrigger per the manual and maintain a spare mag or two. For hunters and serious trainers who want repeatable accuracy on a tight budget, the Mark II is hard to beat. CZ457. The CZ457 is CZ's answer to shooters who want a precise, serviceable bolt-action rimfire with real modularity. It was designed with swap barrel capability and modern bedding that lets users change barrels and even cartridges in some variants, making it a flexible tool for training, competition, or fieldwork. Key specs: variants in 22 WMR and 17 HMR available, barrel lengths commonly 16-24 inches, magazine, detachable 5 or 10 round steel mags, overall length variable by barrel, roughly 36 to 44 inches, weight of 6.5 mm depending on stock. Action, 2-lug bolt with precise lockup and user-serviceable interchangeability. Accuracy, factory examples often shoot sub 1 MOA with a match load and proper bedding. Why it matters: the 457's modularity means one serialized rifle can wear multiple roles. Switch a barrel for a different twist or length, fit a heavier match barrel for accuracy, or revert to a lighter profile for carry. The improved trigger and bedding give consistent POI after barrel swaps when the work is done correctly. Real-world tip: if you plan to swap barrels or optics frequently, Develop a documented acceptance routine, torque specs, headspace verification, and a zero check after each change. The 457 rewards careful armorer work with genuine multi-role utility in a single rimfire package. Browning Semi-Auto Model 22. The Browning Semi-Auto Model 22 is one of those designs that feels finished. John Browning's layout gives a smooth, low-recoil, semi-automatic action with a refined feeding rhythm that often outpaces cheaper rimfire automatics. The bottom ejection and takedown feature makes it a natural for people who want a full-length rifle that breaks down cleanly for transport or storage without losing zero from its iron sights. Takedown repeatability on good examples is excellent. The long recoil operation soaks a bit of impulse from the shooter, which helps follow-ups stay on target during rapid strings. Key specifications: barrel length 20 inches, magazine tubular underbarrel, capacity commonly 10 rounds, overall length 38 inches, weight approximately 6.5 pounds, action semi-automatic long recoil operated bottom ejecting takedown design. On the range, expect reliable feeding with common 22 long rifle loads and a predictable point of impact from the factory sights. The tubular magazine under the barrel keeps the center of gravity forward, which some shooters find gives a steady hold for deliberate shots. Maintenance is simple but specific. Keep the recoil mechanism and locking surfaces clean, watch for magazine spring fatigue on high-round rifles, and verify the takedown joint for tightness periodically. For a classic, elegant rimfire that pairs traditional handling with functional accuracy, the Browning SA-22 remains a gold standard choice. Practical tip: run at least 3 magazine cycles with your selected ammo type to confirm reliable feed and timing, and store the rifle dry with a light film of preservative to protect the takedown joint and external surfaces. Remington Model 552 Speedmaster. The Remington Model 552 Speedmaster is the practical semi-auto that looks after utility. Its tubular magazine and reliable cycling let it run extended strings of 22 long rifle for training or field use. Historically notable for a feed system that tolerates a range of rimfire loads, the 552 is a solid choice where dependable, relatively high-capacity rimfire fire matters. Think training, pest control, and light-duty hunting. Key specifications: some variants cycle mixed rimfire types. Barrel length 22 inches, magazine tubular underbarrel, capacity commonly 15 rounds, overall length 42 inches, weight approximately 7.0 pounds, action semi-automatic blowback locked breech hybrid with tubular magazine. In use, the 552 feels steady and repeatable. The longer 22-inch barrel helps stabilize velocity and improves effective range compared with short barrel rimfires, while the tubular magazine reduces profile snagging and slides easily into field gear. Maintenance priorities include keeping the magazine follower and tube clean, checking the bolt face for consistent extractor action, and ensuring the gas or blowback surfaces are free of fouling for sustained reliability. Practical tip: when accepting a used 552, confirm magazine spring tension and run a 200-round function test across your chosen ammo to rule out intermittent failures. If you need a low-drama semi-auto rimfire with high-capacity capability, the Model 552 does the job. Marlin Model 39A. The Marlin Model 39A is a lever-action design that has earned a reputation for simple, reliable service. Its solid receiver and smooth lever throw make fast follow-ups a natural action for practiced shooters, and the 24-inch barrel gives a stable sighting plane and decent muzzle velocity for rimfire cartridges. The tubular magazine under the stock stores a lot of rounds, but keeps the rifle's profile slim and snag-free. Key specifications: barrel length 24 inches, magazine tubular understock, capacity commonly 15 rounds, overall length 41.5 inches, weight approximately 6.0 pounds, action lever-action tubular magazine feed, solid locking mechanism. In the field, the 39A's long sight radius and balance favor accurate point-and-shoot work for small game at typical rimfire ranges. It's also a forgiving platform. The lever feed tends to be tolerant of varied ammunition types and dirt exposure compared with tight semi-auto extractors. Maintenance is straightforward. Keep the tubular follower and feed lips clean, inspect the locking surfaces and lever cam, and replace any worn springs during scheduled service. Practical tip: practice lever manipulation, smoothness under stress. Fast, accurate follow-ups require a fluid motion and consistent cheek weld. For shooters who want a classic handling rimfire that stays useful in the field and at the range, the Marlin 39A delivers a time-tested mix of speed, balance, and serviceability. Winchester Model 62. The Winchester Model 62 is the archetypal pump-action rimfire, a straightforward, rugged mechanism with a long service life and few failure points. Where bolt guns and semi-autos demand more careful feeding or timing, the Model 62's pump action tolerates varied ammunition and returns fast follow-ups in trained hands. The tubular magazine under the barrel keeps the rifle's profile slim and reduces snag points, which helps when you carry the gun in brush or in a layered kit. Key specifications: barrel length, commonly 22 inches. Magazine, tubular underbarrel, capacity commonly 15 rounds. Overall length, approximately 41 inches. Weight, roughly 6.5 pounds. Action, pump action tubular magazine feeding. On the range, the 62's 22-inch barrel gives a long sight radius and stabilizes velocity compared with short barrel rimfires. Expect practical, workmanlike accuracy suited to small game hunting and pest control inside typical rimfire distances. The manual of arms emphasizes a consistent slide stroke and solid cheek weld. In the field, smooth pump manipulation is the skill that turns a decent rifle into a fast one. Maintenance priorities are basic: keep the magazine tube and follower clean, check the slide rails for wear or burrs, and inspect the extractor and firing pin area for consistent ignition. For buyers of used examples, confirm magazine spring tension and check for peening at the locking points. For a low-drama, hard-using rimfire suited to everyday fieldwork, the Winchester Model 62 is a practical choice that rewards routine service and simple drills. Winchester Wildcat. Recent attempts to revive classic rimfire lines under modern brands produced semi-automatic rifles that aim to blend classic handling with modern materials and tolerances. These designs try to fix common old issues: sensitive feeding, picky ammo, by using refined feed ramps, better extractors, and improved magazine designs. The Wildcat-style revivals aim to give shooters a trustworthy semi-auto that approaches the reliability of proven designs while keeping the rimfire's low cost per round. Key specifications: typical modern semi-auto. Barrel length, commonly 18 to 22 inches depending on model. Magazine, either tubular or detachable box magazine, capacities vary. Overall length, roughly 36 to 42 inches. Weight, approximately 5 to 7 pounds. Action, semi-automatic blowback or delayed system. On the firing line, look for smooth cycling across a range of factory loads, gimbais, and consistent ejection patterns. Many modern semi-auto rimfires use improvements in metallurgy and geometry to reduce stoppages and increase service life. Maintenance focuses on the usual suspects: keep the chamber and bolt face clean, inspect springs, and run acceptance testing with your chosen ammunition. If you want a shooter that blends the ease and cadence of a semi-auto with modern reliability, these newer revivals are worth evaluating, especially if you favor quick follow-ups and high-volume training without the constraints of older, temperamental actions. Ruger American Rimfire. The Ruger American Rimfire brings modern ergonomics and consistent factory accuracy into an affordably priced bolt-action package. Its 3-lug bolt and stiff bedding system provide a secure lockup that promotes repeatable point-of-impact shot-to-shot. Ruger tuned the trigger and stock geometry to be friendly to a wide range of shooters, which makes this rifle a natural fit for training, hunting, and general utility. Key specifications: variants in 17 HMR and 22 Winchester Magnum rimfire available. Barrel length, commonly 18.5 inches or 22 inches. Magazine, detachable box magazine, typical capacity 10 rounds. Overall length varies by barrel length, commonly 37 to 41 inches. Weight approximately 5.5 to 6.5 pounds. Action, bolt action with user-friendly 3-lug bolt and crisp factory trigger. In practical use, expect reliable feeding from detachable magazines, mutts, and consistent POI across typical rimfire loads. The platform is user-friendly. Field strip capability, straightforward scope mounting, and predictable maintenance intervals make it a low-friction rifle for both new shooters and experienced hands who want a solid semi-precision rimfire. For a single, do-it-all rimfire that favors ergonomics and steady performance out of the box, the Ruger American Rimfire is a strong, modern choice, balanced for hunting, training, and serviceable field use. Looking across these 10 rifles, one truth stands out: good .22 never die, they evolve. Each of these rifles proves that the .22 long rifle cartridge remains one of the most versatile tools a shooter can own. From the simple break actions that refuse to jam, to match-grade bolt guns that teach precision discipline, and semi-autos like the Ruger 1022 that built entire training ecosystems, these rifles survive because they work, not because they trend. They're cheap to feed, easy to fix, and they train fundamentals better than any Magnum ever will. Whether you're teaching a first-time shooter, harvesting small game, or maintaining a quiet, reliable gun for survival use, these 22 have already earned their reputations the hard way. Through decades of range days, field hunts, and bad weather that broke lesser designs. The secret isn't nostalgia, it's practicality. In a world of overcomplication, the 22 rifle remains honest, useful, and indispensable. Stick with what works. Subscribe to Firearms Standard for field-tested reviews, real-world accuracy breakdowns, and no BS insights into the firearms that stand the test of time. Like and follow Firearms Standard.